Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So guys, today's vlog is all about Delhi to Vietnam trip, and here I'm ready to board my flight. सो गाइस, मैंने एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच के सबसे पहले अपने करेंसी को चेंज करवाया रुपीज़ टू वियतनाम डॉलर। अब हम वियतनाम पहुंच गए हैं और मैंने कैब कर ली है। उसके बाद हम अपने होटल की तरफ जा रहे हैं। Now here we reached our hotel and we booked a hotel from Make My Trip, and the hotel name was MEMM. This is the interior of the hotel और इन लोगों ने गाइस बहुत अच्छे वाइब्रेंट कलर यूज़ करे थे, तो मुझे तो ये होटल बहुत पसंद आया था। तो ये हमारा होटल रूम था जिसमें अंदर ही सब कुछ लाइक किचन एंड सेपरेट 2 रूम्स थे एंड 2 वॉशरूम थे। तो इट वाज रियली अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस होटल। दिस इज़ द आउटसाइड लॉन एरिया ऑफ द होटल। इट वाज आल्सो वेरी कलरफुल and this was the view from our room balcony. So these are the room terrace, and this is the way they serve their breakfast, lunch and dinner in the form of a buffet. You can go and choose as per your taste. Now after taking some rest, we visited evening market, nearby areas. तो बहुत अच्छे से गाइस डेकोरेटेड थी इनकी बिल्डिंग्स एंड रोड्स भी बहुत डेकोरेटेड थी। तो देयर वर लाइट्स ऑल ओवर। And this is the Saigon Center. This is the mall. You'll find lot many brands here. तो आप शॉपिंग करने के लिए अच्छा है। अगर आप ब्रांड्स फ्रीक हैं तो you can do good shopping over here. This is the inside view of the mall. Moving on to day 2. Now we are visiting Shao Bente market. Like you can buy shoes, jewelries, क्लोथ्स, बैग्स। तो इस शॉप से मैंने काफ़ी सारे शूज़ लिए थे। यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक इट आउट। एंड ये पर्ल्स भी यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं, तो पर्ल्स भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ से परचेज़ किए थे। वाओ, दिस इज़ सो रिफ्रेशिंग फ्रूट्स, जो आपको देख कर ही मुँह में पानी आ जाएगा कि हमें भी खाने हैं। तो बहुत अच्छे फ्रूट्स होते हैं, फ्रेश। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स वॉर म्यूज़ियम। सो ये हमारे टिकट्स थे जो आपको 40,000 वियतनाम डॉलर्स में मिल जाएगा। So this is the outside view. So it is said that remittance of war, the Vietnam War, played a big role in American pop culture, which is probably a big reason why the War Remnants Museum is one of the most visited attraction in Ho Chi Minh City. So all around the museum there are vehicles of war like tanks, chopper, even fighter jets are there, missiles. You know guys, as per the Red Cross estimates that up to 1 million Vietnamese people living today are either disabled or they have health problem. They are not mentally fit because of the Agent Orange, because the childbirth in that area where the chemical was sprayed were born with numerous health problems including cleft platelets, mental disabilities, hernia, extra fingers or extra toes. So it was really a heartbreaking situation to see all those pictures and see their generations that are still they are facing that issue, and they are working in this museums and they are earning with the help of these toys they are making with their hands. You can see these pictures and this really brought me in tears. So guys, if you are also visiting War Museum, you can purchase the stuff from them and this will really help them a lot. We had our dinner in a Japanese restaurant. So they serve you like this. This is the local Japanese wine. And we order some vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food as well. Now moving on to day 3, we are visiting Kukai Tunnel. It is said that in all the at least 45,000 Vietnamese men and women are said to have died defending this Kukai Tunnel over the course of the Vietnam War. So in the following years, the fall of Saigon in 1975, the Vietnamese government preserved this Kukai Tunnel, including them in a network of memorial parks around the country. So at the time of the war, when US people attacked these Vietnamese, they created this tunnel to save themselves, and they have created all the medical facilities inside those tunnels, and even a full kind of a house, and they prepare their food also in those tunnels. They created chimneys. So it was very creative, I must say, and very different kind of a thing that we have experienced.
Over there.
If you fit this one, you
Up your hand. Please step back, please. Hello, excuse me. Step back, please. Step back. Make the circle bigger.
오, 쓰게.
Dạ, em làm hướng dẫn viên công ty nào? Không, em
और ये है सॉफ्ट वाली मिरिंडा, इसका टेस्ट बहुत ही बेकार था, तो आप प्लीज़ ट्राई मत करिएगा. Now moving on to nightlife of Vietnam. So this is the way they perform on roadside. They put their speakers, they put their stage, and these girls perform. So this is the outside view of a club, and there was some match, cricket match going on. So they were watching and enjoying and cheering up their team. So this is the way they all gathered. हाँ, पूरा फ्रेंड्स एटमॉस्फेयर ऐसा था, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि दैट देयर इज़ सम फेस्टिवल गोइंग ऑन, बट देयर वर नो फेस्टिवल गोइंग ऑन. वहाँ पे कुछ मैच चल रहा था, तो पीपल वर गैदरिंग ओवर देयर एंड दे वर एन्जॉइंग एंड चेयरिंग अप देयर टीम. सो इट वॉज रियली अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. इस वहाँ भटक रहे थे कि हमें इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिल जाए, तो हमें फाइनली एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिल गया जो कि ताजमहल के नाम से था. तो हम लोग वहाँ पर रुके और हमने इंडियन फूड खाया, बिकॉज़ वहाँ थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, फूड मिसमैच होता है हम लोग का चॉइस वहाँ पे, क्योंकि सी फूड ज़्यादा मिलता है वहाँ. Now moving on to day 4, guys, we will be visiting very unique restaurant that is on river. So let's proceed. And here is our beautiful floating Elisa restaurant. This is fish. They serve it in a hot stove, and this is pigeon meat. Again fish. Moving on to our next program, that is the cultural Vietnamese program. So this is the way they dress, and they also perform on our Indian song. So let's see. Fifth now in Vietnam. So we are visiting Live Seafood Restaurant. So guys, इस तरीके से ये लोग एक्वेरियम प्लेस करते हैं अपने रेस्टोरेंट में, जिसमें लाइव एनिमल्स होते हैं, सी एनिमल्स होते हैं. तो इसका पानी रेगुलरली फ़िल्टर होता रहता है. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर पाइप भी लगा है, तो उसका पानी भी क्लियर होता रहता है और साफ़ पानी ये कंटिन्यूसली रेगुलेट होता रहता है इसमें. तो इसमें ये लोग चॉइस देते हैं आपको. यू कैन चूज़ any of your favorite seafood and they can cook fresh for you. So we ordered crab, and this is some vegetarian food. So ये कुछ salad वालेट सर्व करते हैं, and coconut also. Now the time has come. We are saying goodbye to Vietnam. So we boarded our flight, and this is the halt for 4 hours. We stayed at Singapore airport for 4 hours. So this is, I'm sharing few inside pictures of the airport. It was really beautiful. Thank you for watching guys. I hope आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. So if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Catch you in next video.